First Five of San Luis Obispo County is proud to honor this month's hands-on hero, Janet Wallace. Janet's commitment to and support of foster youth in San Luis Obispo County inspires others and changes lives.
Thank you so much to First Five for this wonderful honor. I am absolutely humbled to be selected as the hands-on hero for January.
We are honored to work with Janet in the work that they provide. Janet continues to be the face of encouraging others to open their heart and their home to do the same.
It's been so fun, especially to see her become a mom. Julian is so lucky to have found Will and Janet.
Some of the words that come to mind when I think of Janet right off the bat are compassion for others and kindness.
She's been somebody who's truly sacrificed, given of herself, and I don't think she'd ever call it a sacrifice. I think that Janet is the kind of person that looks at it and says, of course that's what I'll do, and finds true pleasure in it.
That notion of kindness is honestly one of the things that motivates her in the morning when she gets out of bed. You'll always see her smiling, and that's the essence of who she is.
And it's just that sort of zest for life, I think, that draws people to her. She truly has boundless, endless energy.
So Janet will do it all with a smile. She's so upbeat about all of it. The incredible number of things that she's involved with. She's
just so much fun to be around, helps to take the stress out of everyday, ordinary life. Is so kind and warm, will go out of her way to do anything for anybody, and is just really inspiring as a friend.
I'm really happy for her and proud of her, and I think she's very deserving of this recognition.
Congratulations, Janet. This is so well deserved. I'm so happy to see you be recognized, and I can't wait to see what the future has in store.
Congratulations, Janet. Way to go. Well deserved. We're all very proud of you.
Congratulations, Janet. We appreciate you and we thank you.
Good job, Mom.
You can learn more about our hands-on heroes in the SLO Journal Plus and at first5slo.org.